Hello students, today we are going to take a new lesson in EVS, Growing Up and Growing Old. Now you have a written exam as I had already told for you in the meeting, and you have to start studying your long answers, fill in the blanks with the spellings, even name the following with spellings. Start reading your lessons for your objective type of questions. So let's begin. The name of the lesson, as I said, is Growing Up and Growing Old. Now, everyone is happy when a little baby is born. So when a baby is born in the house, there's a lot of happiness spread everywhere. Let it be a baby girl or a baby boy. And the mother lovingly takes care of the baby that is born. And she gives the baby bath, she gives the baby milk, she feeds him milk. When it is hungry, she sings lullabies to the baby, and slowly the baby grows. Now, there are certain stages of growth and progress of a baby. Now, as the baby grows, it becomes taller. That is, its height increases. Then even it gains weight. So weight also increases. The child becomes taller. And as the child is growing up, as it is said, there are certain stages. So first the baby crawls, then teeth start coming out one by one, and then it learns to stand, and then later it walks, and then again there is increase in height and weight, and then the baby starts recognizing the mother and all the people in the family. So whether it is a boy or a girl, nature does not differentiate between the two in their growth. So whether it's a baby girl or it's a baby boy, there are certain stages of growth and progress for both of them. So both the baby girl and the baby boy grows tall, gains weight. Both are taken care of by the mother. The stages of growth are also similar. They also say that girls are a little more faster to grow up than the boys. Now, when the children become bigger, so the baby girl and the baby boy become teenagers, or they start going to school, they are not babies any longer. So a little boy becomes a big boy, and a small girl becomes a big girl. Then they start going to school, and they grow in height until the age of 18, and they start going to college, and the growth kind of stops at the age of 18. Yeah, boys do develop their muscles and they gain weight, after 18 also. Now, until 40 years of age, a person approaches old age. So, a person remains fit, but regular exercise, good food habits, good eating habits are very, very necessary to keep a person healthy and fit. So we benefit from regular exercise, not only the elders, but even the children. Everybody benefits from regular exercise. Now, after 40 years of age, what starts happening to the body? There are different changes in the body. The eyesight becomes weak. Hair starts turning gray. Gray means it starts becoming white. Then the body strength decreases further. Then hearing and memory also becomes weaker. Teeth begin to fall. So what teeth the children got maybe at the age of 6 months or 8 months old, these teeth start falling after the age of 40. Then sleep becomes less, and certain people develop various disorders. But whether you are a human being or whether you are any living thing, gradually one day you have to die. So let's have a look at this picture. Now this is a small baby which is crawling. Then it learns to walk. or stand, then a little bigger, a little more bigger when it starts going to school and taking part in sports activities. Then you have a big man, and then you have a girl who is a grown-up woman. So this is how the human beings grow as per their age. Now, we also have growth of plants. So if you see pictures of mango tree, you will understand that in your textbook, which is the oldest picture, which picture is the most recent, and which picture is the one of time in between. And how do you guess it? Because when you look at the picture, you know that this is a very big tree, this is kind of a small tree, and a very, very small plant. So like that, accordingly, you can get to know at looking at the size of the tree, how whether it is the oldest or the biggest tree around. Now, sprouting of seeds. Everybody must be aware that plants germinate from seeds. So the sprouting of seeds is also known as germination. So this is a new term what you'll have in your textbook now. Now when a seed sprouts or germinates, a new plant is produced. For the sprout to grow, it must take root in the soil because the roots grow in the soil. Now the seedling absorbs water and some nutritious substance from the soil. The leaves begin to make food. Fruits develop from flowers, and these flowers have seeds, and from these seeds, new plants grow. So it's like a cycle. So from seeds, you get a new plant. The plants get roots, and then stem and leaves, and then the leaves make food. Fruits develop from flowers. First you get the flowers, then fruits come. In this flowers you have seeds, and from the seeds you have new plants which grow. So look at the picture there. You've got a small seedling that has come out. It has sprouted. Then you have it grown. So leaves come up, and then you have the different parts of the plant. So you've got the leaves, you've got the stem, you've got the flowers, and then you've got the fruit. So finally, it is in this way that you see that the plants grow. Now, you should know that there are certain stages of growth and progress, even for a plant and even for a baby. Now, a plant grows till it dies, and plants also grow in height and strength. Even the plants have got definite stages of growth. And as I end with this, that animals or plants all come to an end eventually. Now, a tree has to withstand the sun, wind, and rain all the time. So we take care of ourselves, maybe by wearing sunglasses, or by wearing a raincoat in the rainy season, or by wearing a sweater in the winters. But a tree has to withstand the sun, the wind, and the rain all the time. Sometimes, if care is not taken, it is attacked by pests, and this makes the tree weaker. And then what happens is that the trunk breaks and the tree falls down. All plants die, however, the causes of the plants dying are different. So animals and plants, eventually, they all come to an end. So what you have to remember in this lesson is a proper diet and your regular exercise are necessary for keeping good health. So see you children. Bye-bye.